I'll be giving you my Rocket.new AI review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Rocket.new has been gaining popularity as an AI-powered writing and workflow tool, but many people are still unsure whether it actually delivers on its promises. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how it works, the key features, and the pros and cons to help you decide if it's worth using. Rocket.new is an AI platform designed to help users write faster, create content more efficiently, and automate repetitive tasks. It's built for creators, business owners, marketers, and anyone who needs to produce text-based content quickly. The interface is simple, the tools are beginner-friendly, and the overall goal is to help you speed up your workflow without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of Rocket.new is its AI writing assistant. This tool helps you generate articles, social media posts, scripts, emails, product descriptions, and more. You just enter a topic or prompt, and the system produces a structured draft you can edit and refine. Many users appreciate that Rocket.new creates clear, readable content without requiring complicated inputs. Another major feature is the template library, which offers pre-built formats for different types of writing. Whether you need a YouTube script, an ad copy, a blog outline, or an email sequence, Rocket.new provides templates that guide you step by step. This is especially helpful for beginners who may not know where to start. Rocket.new also includes AI editing tools like rewriting, summarizing, expanding text, or improving clarity and tone. These tools allow you to take rough drafts and turn them into polished content quickly. For people who do a lot of writing, this feature alone can save hours. In terms of performance, Rocket.new is fast, responsive, and delivers consistent output. It's not as advanced as high-end AI tools used by professional copywriters, but for everyday content creation, it gets the job done. The platform's clean interface and simple navigation also make the workflow smooth. Now for the pros, Rocket.new is easy to use, affordable compared to other AI tools, and provides a wide variety of templates. It's ideal for beginners, small business owners, and creators who want quick content without complicated features. It's also web-based, so there's nothing to install and no heavy learning curve. On the downside, Rocket.new's AI responses can sometimes feel generic, especially for long-form content. It's great for outlines, drafts, and short writing tasks, but users who need deep research or highly technical accuracy may find it limited. There's also no advanced customization like some premium AI tools offer. Overall, Rocket.new is a solid, user-friendly AI writing tool that helps streamline content creation. If you need fast, simple, and reliable output, it's worth trying. Just keep in mind that it's best used as a drafting assistant rather than a final content generator.